Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your environment and ensuring data safety. First, save any open work and close heavy applications so Outlook can get CPU and memory. Once done, export or copy your PSD/OSD file to an external drive as a precaution. Next, start Outlook in safe mode by holding Control while launching or running Outlook. exe/safe to disable add-ins. This isolates startup problems and lets you see if core Outlook runs without extensions. You now diagnose the likely culprits. With Outlook in safe mode, go to File, Options, Add-ins, choose COM Add-ins, click Go and uncheck everything, then restart normally to test. If performance improves, re-enable add-ins one at a time to find the offender. Next, run Scamst. exe against your PSD/OSD to fix structural issues, locate the file, run the tool, and allow repairs. If problems persist, create a new Outlook profile via Control Panel to rule out profile corruption. You finish by repairing and updating the ecosystem. Open Control Panel, choose Programs, select Microsoft Office, and run Quick Repair. If issues remain, run Online Repair for deeper fixes. Make sure Windows and Office updates are applied, and verify antivirus real-time scanning isn't locking mail files. Temporarily disable it to test. If Outlook still freezes, recreate the mailbox account or use Outlook Web Access to stay productive. And capture error messages and steps you took so support can reproduce and resolve the issue faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.